Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to do a video about my new EDC bag, and it is a sling bag. And this is the one. But before we get into that, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, here is my new EDC bag. And this is the front, and this is the back. It looks like that. And first of all, I want to mention this carrying handle, which is really nice. And it's wrapped with paracord, which I also like. It has a D-ring here if you want to attach some extra stuff. And it has a smaller compartment, medium compartment, and main compartment. And it also has a pocket back here. And you can open it up with this little strap here. And the carrying belt is nice and wide, and this one is actually really comfortable to wear or carry. Fits really nice, very comfortable, and that is as it should be. It should be comfortable to carry a bag like this. Not uncomfortable, because that would be a nasty experience. And I have used this since I got it. And I really like it. And you probably can use this also as a waist bag if you prefer to carry it that way too. So you have at least 3 possible ways to carry it. Carry it with this, or use the sling, or put this around your waist and carry it as a waist bag. Let's open this little compartment here. And what do I got here? Oh, compressed towels. These will come in handy when you don't have anything else. Just dip these in some water and you unfold it, and there you have a nice little towel so you can clean your hands. I have a couple of these in the main front compartment here. And the medium-sized compartment then, here I have one of these, actually 2 of these, 2, and my Leatherman Wave. So these fit very well in here. And I like this size on this gauze, because they fit so well in here, and it's nice to have 2 of them at least. You never know if you need more than one, so have 2, 1 spare is always nice. So it fits really nice in here. And we go to the main compartment then. And you can pull it down all the way here on both sides. And you also have a D-ring, and you have molle attachments. So you can attach more equipment if you want to. And you have it on the side as well. and in front of here as well. So that's nice. And what do I have in the main compartment then? A couple of teaspoons made of wood. You never know when you need these. Those come really in handy. I have used one actually. And next item I have in here is my smaller first aid kit. And my fire starting kit, which is also nice to have. And I also have my hand sanitizer. You never know when you need that. But anyway, I don't pull this down a little bit. On the inside, it's pretty deep. You have one pocket here and two in front. So this goes all the way down here, so that's nice. And you also have another pocket here, and that pocket goes all the way down here too. So you can fit a lot of equipment in here, which is really nice. Oh, and on this side, this divider, you have a pocket with a zipper and another pocket with zipper. So you can fit a lot of stuff in this bag, no doubt about it. So I like this bag, and I like the color. And yeah, it's a durable, awesome bag, and it was a cheap one considering buy it from Temu. I think this is a good quality for the price. Not the best, but you get a decent, good quality for a good price. And the zipper seems to be heavy duty, so that's also nice. It's a little bit tough to get up because it's new. I haven't opened it that many times. So, and if you want to put a little flag or patch, whatever you want, you can attach it on the front here. Well, I think that's all I have for today's video. And what do you think about this bag, guys? I just want to know. I think I can recommend this one. So let me know what you think about this EDC bag, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. That's all for today's video, guys. Take care, stay safe, be prepared, and ShadowScoutSwede out.